For us, we had a lot of medical supplies, a lot of equipment. We had to change our whole house. We had to change like what rooms were used for what, where things were kept. Our daily schedule had to change. That was probably the first thing we had to do. I think that's probably similar for a lot of people. Where are
Yeah,
you
that
going to keep
totally.
all these meds? Where are you going to keep, where's the baby going to sleep, especially if they had got a lot of cares that you have to do through the night? Are they going to be near you? Like our baby, she had to go into the living room. She had to sleep in the living room. Like we had to pull her crib out into the living room and her, all her stuff was in the living room because that was the most central place and easiest for us to access her all the time. So, yeah, your whole house is got to change potentially. And that's, where are you going to bring the baby to when you come home?